Hi, my name is Miss Heidi. For our craft project today, we're doing pumpkin people. The supplies we need for this craft is green construction paper, black construction paper, white construction paper, or orange, and then some crayons, some glue, kid scissors, and I have glue dots too if you prefer. And so we're going to start with the hands and feet, and we're going to do them accordion style or back and forth. And so how we do that is we go like this, back and forth. And then we're going to cut out a pumpkin. I already cut mine out. I wanted to color mine, so I just used a white paper with some black, and then I used an orange crayon. But if you don't want to color it, you can just use orange construction paper. And you can just make a circle, it doesn't have to look perfect. And then we'll make some little pumpkins. It's like 4 little pumpkins for the feet and the hands. And then we'll cut out a face. I wanted a happy face, so I cut out some triangles and then a happy smiley face for the mouth. And then we'll start gluing it on. And you can make all sorts of types of faces if you want. You can make a scary face, a happy face, a silly face. And has a really big smile. Give him some long arms. And then we'll put his legs on. And then we'll add the little pumpkins at the end for his feet and his hands. Is our pumpkin person. Thanks for making this craft with me. Remember to hit like and subscribe, and I hope you join us next time for our next craft.